Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Mini Cooper door handle. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a Torx T30 bit and a plastic trim removal tool. Next, gently pry off the interior door panel. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connectors for the window switch and door lock mechanism. This provides clear access to the handle assembly. Now, locate and unscrew the two Torx T30 bolts that hold the handle assembly in place. These are usually found on the inside edge of the door. With the bolts removed, use your trim tool to carefully pry off the outer door handle cover. Finally, reach inside and release the small cable that connects the handle to the door's latch mechanism. This step requires a delicate touch. With the cable detached, you can now slide the entire handle assembly forward. This action disengages it from its mounting points within the door frame. Gently pull the handle outwards, being mindful of any remaining wires or connections that might still be attached. Take your time to avoid any damage. Once removed, inspect the door cavity for any leftover clips or fasteners. To reinstall your Mini Cooper door handle, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Make sure all electrical connections are securely reattached and that the handle operates smoothly before fully securing the door panel. Double-check that the latch cable is properly seated for correct function. For more great content and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.